Day 12, 21st of November 2024. Shortly after 6:30 a.m. And that's 0630 for military. Let's go take a look. Good morning. Let's go take a look. Hopefully we're less than 10 gallons. That would mean we're over the hump. We're going to turn noise off. I'm tired of it. Power off. Purge. Power off. Power off. Purge. All right. Power off. Purge. We'll start it here. What a mess. More than 10 years of flooding. People call me a mean man. Oh, looky there. 2 gallons, good. It's been 2.5 gallons most mornings. Every morning, just about. 2 gallons. That's good. Let's see what the others got. I'll take a half-gallon depreciation from the standard any day. Twice on Sunday. Okay. First one's the big one. Yay! 3.5 gallons. So we got 5.5. Oh, that one's probably, if anything, shoot, that ain't anything. Gallon. What is that? A quart, maybe? That machine it hasn't been good the whole time. It might need to be serviced. Yeah, that machine, that's been a disappointing one. Considering the size of the tool, should perform better. But that little thing performs like a champ. I'll take 2 of those over a big one any day. This one has been the jewel, though. So there it is. We're going to document it at 3.5. 3.5 gallons. And plus the other one was 2, right? That's 5.5, we'll call it. Let's just be nice. We'll call it 5.5 gallons. We won't even, no, we better count it because then I'll be screwing myself over. 5.5, we'll call it 5 3/4. We'll give it a full quarter of a gallon. 1 quart. So there you go. Good. Good. Let's see what we can see down the holes. Again, I'm curious. I'm going to Okay, that looks drier than it did yesterday. This is the front bedroom. Wasn't much water in there. This hallway, there was a ton. Oh, this won't help. That don't help none. I didn't pay attention to that one yesterday. I didn't look in it, I don't think. You can't visually see in there very well, huh? Need a scope. No power in this room. And there was water weeping out of these holes. And those don't help nothing. No ventilation at all. Drilled right into wood. That's OSB there. That's OSB behind that paper, which is the backing of sheetrock. All right. No holes drilled in here. I just can't see enough. That chamber, I would love to get a look at. And this one, yeah, I need to look at it. It's inconclusive. I can't quite tell. But this bay looks like can't see enough. Just can't see enough. Just can't see enough. Had code enforcement come by and take a look at it. Greg and Manny, good guys, both of them. Definitely the kind of guys I have cookouts on a Saturday with, drink beer and tell horror stories to. Nice guys. Really nice guys. Yeah, but I'm the last guy anybody wants to be a friend with right now. Gotta stand your ground. Side, right there. Water. watermark. Not much of a photographer, but I did find out sometimes just the camera's light is all you need. Don't turn on any others. Everything's drying out nicely. The problem is what does it look like behind the sheetrock after? Well, my experience is more than 10 years of flood damage. Repetitive flooding. Over and over. This is a Band-Aid fix on a previous flood. This is how they do repairs. Don't have any lights in here. You have a flood damage. There's evidence of it. Sagging in the paint. Just like this sagging. Just not to the extreme. Just a long sag. Like the one in the master bedroom. This one went all the way to the floor. No more sags in here, huh? This whole closet was damaged. You can see right there. This was smokes. This is, as Greg put it, absolute poor craftsmanship. You blame it on the management company who does not care. Alright, let's see what the guy did as far as repairs go. They were supposed to pull that out. When they pulled this machine out, the whole thing was pulled out. Parts were replaced and then it was put back in. They ripped the door casing off, busted up, ripped it all out. This door doesn't seal anymore. Contributing to the exorbitant utility cost of this apartment. Can't see in the back, but there's your evidence. Facts, leading one to draw to a conclusion of past history.